Hello. Fixing misleading body language can be crucial when it comes to clear and honest communication. Albert Mehrabian's 55-38-7 communication model is still very relevant today. He found that communication is 55% nonverbal, which means facial expression or body language, 38% tone of voice, and 7% words only. In this video, I would like to bring your attention to how important nonverbal communication is. Example number 1. If you give a presentation and at the end you say, "I'm open to your ideas," but you stand with your arms crossed, it will change the energy in the room because you give a mixed message. Example number 2. Let's imagine you have a visitor from another planned location, but you don't like that person. You do your best to fake it. You smile, shake his hand and say, "Hello, it's good to see you." This person will feel that there is something off, and I'm sure you have been in a similar situation. The best way to explain this is when you are afraid of dogs and you encounter a dog, will the dog feel it? Of course. And the same is true for people. Example number 3. Different cultures have different body language. But when you live in Canada, it is important to be able to give a firm handshake and seek eye contact with the person in front of you. The lack of eye contact can be considered as a sign of nervousness, shyness, or lack of confidence. Many people also consider the lack of eye contact as a sign that the person cannot be trusted. Overall, I suggest that you continuously ask for feedback from trusted co-workers or friends when it comes to your communication skills, verbal or non-verbal. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.